Because the value of your saved dollar can be impacted by the money supply, any talk of savings is incomplete without discussing the Fed. The Federal Reserve is the primary force in determining our nation's money supply. This is known as monetary policy, and it should not be confused with what is called fiscal policy, which relates to tax and spending policies set by the Congress. The Fed's two main policy goals are, first, to help stimulate economic growth, and second, to try to keep inflation low. These goals can conflict. When the Fed determines that the economy needs a stimulus, interest rates are lowered, borrowing becomes easier, and more money flows into the economy. This is known as opening the Fed window, and the result is an increase of the money supply. When inflation is rising, which means that the dollar is quickly losing value, the Fed raises interest rates, borrowing becomes more expensive, and money eventually flows out of the economy. This closing of the Fed window decreases the money supply. Severe inflation requires a very tight monetary policy, which often leads to increased unemployment and greater reliance on personal savings. In a worst-case scenario, the economy can become stagnant and inflation can increase, a situation called stagflation. The Fed is then faced with an extremely difficult choice because it can't raise interest rates and lower them at the same time. It must choose either to stimulate the economy or to fight inflation. This last happened in the 1970s, and it was a very difficult time for our country.